The rounds of the soul. 19th round in the divine will. Jesus' entry into Jerusalem and the institution of the sacraments. My dearly beloved Jesus, I see that you now turn your steps again toward Jerusalem, so I accompany you with my I love you, I adore you and I thank you. But what sorrow your divine heart experiences upon entering the temple and finding it desecrated, as it appears to be a marketplace and not the house of your Father. You take some cords and with sweetness and divine authority, you lead to your left and to your right, overturning everything and driving out those who have desecrated the temple. On account of this authoritative act of yours, no one dares to oppose you, but all flee. O my Jesus, Divine Emperor, I impress my I love you upon these cords, and ask you to lay hold of them again to drive out our human will that desecrated your living temple, which is our souls. I entreat you to trample our will asunder so it may no longer dare to dominate us, but may completely instead resign itself to your divine will. Jesus, my heavenly beloved, my I love you follows you in your triumphant entry into Jerusalem. I impress my I love you upon the palm branches, upon the cloaks they cast at your feet and upon the jubilant cries of the crowds, and I beseech you to hasten the triumph of your will on earth. My divine King, your appearance of a victorious conqueror seems to carry the happy news of granting my request. Oh, do grant my request. Tell the little daughter of your will, the kingdom of the fiat voluntas tua on earth as it is in heaven shall come. I will not leave you, nor shall I grow tired of following you with my I love you until I have won you over, whereby you tell me, you have won, my daughter. I promise you that my kingdom shall be established on earth. But be sure to follow me, as my love desires your company. My enemies, envious of the jubilant cries of the crowd, are plotting to take my life. So before I die, I wish to institute the sacrament of the Eucharist in order to leave a final remembrance of the intense love I have for my children, whereby I may live my perpetual life with them. So, to hasten the establishment of my kingdom on earth, continue to implore my divine fiat in every sacrament. My love, as you institute the sacraments I press you to myself in order to impress my I love you upon the sacrament of baptism, so that by virtue of my I love you your fiat voluntas tua may be conferred upon every baptized soul. I repeat my I love you in the sacrament of confirmation, so that you may confer the victory of your divine will upon every confirmed soul. I impress my I love you upon the sacrament of the anointing of the sick, so that every dying person may conclude the final moments of your life in your divine will. I impress my I love you upon the sacrament of holy orders in order for you to send us priests in the divine will and for its kingdom to be established in them. I impress my I love you upon the sacrament of matrimony so that all families may be formed according to your divine fiat. I impress my I love you upon the sacrament of penance so that, as a spring welling up from within it, this sacrament may produce in souls death to sin and the life of your divine will. Jesus, my life, my I love you shall never leave you, but will remain with you for all eternity. And so I impress my I love you, I adore you, I bless you and I thank you in each sacramental host, in every offense you receive and in every act of reparation you make in order to implore with you the reign of the kingdom of your will on earth as it is in heaven. My heavenly archer, from every tabernacle wound all human wills, extend your chains of love and employ every heavenly design at your disposal, so that in exchanging their wills with your own divine will you may overcome them all. In this way our will on earth shall be one with your will in heaven.